Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add vertical line in Google Docs. If you want to do it, you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you need to go to Drawing. Now we need to go to New, and here we need to select this one option. This option is Line. Now I press and hold Shift and I draw here a simple line, maybe something like that. It will be straight line. I click Save and Close. And how you see, it has been successfully added to our document. I recommend you to scroll down and click on it. Then you will see these options. We need to select here in front of text. And now I recommend you to go to Image Options and select here all image options. Then we need to go to Position and select Fix Position on Page. Now you will be able to change position of this line, maybe somewhere here. And then I click Wrap Text. It will give us really great effect. We can split this text on two parts. Everything depends on your preferences. Of course, we can resize this line if you want. I recommend you to click double time on this line. Then we can click on it and make it a little shorter, yeah? And now we can click Save and Close. And how you see, now it looks really great. So it is how it works. If I helped you to insert vertical line in Google Docs, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.